And we welcome you back to the Talk Shop. In Studio 255, I'm with Linda from Family Promise, and they're presenting Beach Blizzard. Tell us about Family Promise and the upcoming Beach Blizzard.
We're so excited about it. You know, Family Promise really does support families here in Albany County that are, about to become homeless, or if they are homeless, we're helping them. We also have the Diaper Hygiene Pantry and the Wyoming Kids Closet that help any family that feel like they need a little bit of help and support.
Founded by the community, for the community, right here in Laramie. Family Promise presenting the Beach Blizzard. Beach games, silent auction, small bites. It's all Saturday, February 28th.
Yes.
6:30 p.m. till when?
Till 9.
Till 9. Good.
have-
And it's going to be, where are we going to do
We're going
this?
to do this at the fairgrounds.
Albany County Fairgrounds. Wonderful.
Yes.
And it's brought to you by Laramie Range Ford, the Laramie Boomerang, the Still, and Divine Eats, along with J.W. Brands.
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. So you're going to have food, beverage, adult beverages,
Right.
all part of the evening.
That's
Now,
all part.
where do you get tickets?
You can get tickets at fpalbanycounty.org/beach.
That's fabulous. And if you are so inclined, do so early. You have a little incentive for doing it early, don't you, Linda?
You do. Our tickets are $40 a piece, or two for $75.
So
And
bring a
so
big group.
Up until February 21st, you'll get that extra discount to save for multiple people. So
Wonderful.
It's exciting.
It's Family Promises 2026 Beach Blizzard event. It's their premier fundraiser, Saturday, February 28th, 6:30 to 9 p.m. at the Albany County Fairgrounds. Thank you so much for coming in, Linda.
Thank you for having me.